parking garage, guys. You can see the water line here, where the water came up here, guys. This is after the hurricane. We're in a parking garage right next to the river here. You can see all the cars that were in here, but this was full of water, guys. You can see the water line right there. Wow, incredible. Incredible. It's Doug Chill here coming at you. Thank you guys so much for the 1,000 subscribers. Hey, let's see if we can't reach 10,000. If not, let's say, hey, sky's the limit. Just be yourself, guys. For any of you upcoming YouTubers, just speak your mind. Do what you love to do. I've been running a few different YouTubes, and the one that works best is the one that is that you love. So go do something you love and hope it works for you. Take care. Hey, good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. We're coming at you. We're going into this to check out the storm damage from Hurricane Helene today, and yeah, we're gonna see if there's any trees down. We can assess. So yeah, stay tuned and have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon. Okay, look at this, guys. Right now we're looking at hurricane aftermath from all these palm trees. Look at all the palm trees down. We got palm trees down. There's probably 15 minutes inland from the shore, but we're just pulling up to that, doing some site inspections. And we are heading to Wawa this morning. Think they got any rope coming at you guys? Here we are assessing some storm work. We got a tree on the building here. Here we are, getting ready to trim this huge tree. Hey, Rick. Yeah. Good. Amigo, muchas ventanas aquí. Maybe throw it over there. Okay. Yeah, throw. Yeah, it's good. It's okay. There it is. We got the tree limb off the roof safely. Nice catch. Hurricane aftermath. Tree number 2. Coming back at you. Here we are. We just took this huge tree limb off this apartment complex. So yeah, we're out here getting it, doing some storm work, doing some due diligence. It's right up there on that building up there. Yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day. You got a cable line.
Cable line?
Yeah, you just ripped it up.
Where?
Hey, when you grab that, well, you never know. You don't see that cable?
No.
Well, just, yeah, try not to go too deep. Go up a little bit. Let me see. Go all the way up. He got a cable. Yep, he got a cable. Yeah, there you go. Give the earth back some dirt. Give the earth back some dirt. Try to get that vine. Put the vine in there. Guys, I'm Doug Chill. We're here in Newport Richey, Florida. Just bringing you a little bit of the scenery from what a storm surge looks like. I don't know if you guys ever seen a storm surge, but the water was literally way up here, guys. If you can see the back of that there's a little parking garage down there. The water was all the way full of that. Full up here, as you can see the mulch. I'll show you more. Hold on. Let me switch the camera. Here we are, guys. We're just coming at you today. Look at this. It's just a storm surge right here. We're just about to clean it up. And yeah. And the parking garage, guys. You can see the water line here, where the water came up here, guys. This is after the hurricane. We're in a parking garage right next to the river here. You can see all the cars that were in here, but this was full of water, guys. You can see the water line right there. Wow, incredible. Incredible. Okay.